Yeah, okay. So this. So now we have defined purchasing. For purchasing, two responsibilities. For order management, two responsibilities. Like for South India and North India. Okay. So now let's go and define two more responsibility for inventory. F11 inventory. INVGUI will be there. Let's see. Inventory, vision, operations. You type with this other serial responsibilities. Okay. And we navigate. So this is the menu. And we navigate. You don't need to remember these menus. Okay. No worries. You don't need to remember. If you just query existing responsibilities, like existing standard responsibilities, you will get to know what is the menu, seeded menu. Okay. Just click on new. There are two ways you open again. Just click on new or close it or open again or control down arrow. Okay, control down arrow. It will give new record for entering. Okay, ABC SI inventory. Okay, inventory responsibility. ABC SI INV. Okay, standard inventory. INV navigate. So here, just go for here and search with your module name inventory. So all this. So what you can select is all inclusive. You select this. Okay, fine. So next is ABC NI inventory. To define a multi-R, we just need a HRMS GL. That's it. But again, we are now itself we are defining for the SCM models also. Okay, inventory BC NI NV inventory application and we navigate. All inclusive. Okay, save it. Fine. So now we have defined all 8 responsibilities which we have here, right? All 8 responsibilities. So we have defined. Okay. So next is we have to assign all this responsibility to our own user. See, as of now, we have only system administrator, right? We have system administrator. Anyhow, this application diagnostics will defaultly come when you have system administrator, right? So now we have to assign the responsibility to you, our own user, right? Now go to the security user define. Query your user F11 or you just click on find ABC SCM implementation. So now come down here. Now you add responsibilities here. So ABC HRMS, right? See ABC HRMS. I just type with the keywords, starting words, then it will give data. If you not give, it will give lot of information. If you just give percentage, see there are lot of information, lot of responsibilities. Okay, I just check with your ABC. These are all our responsibilities which we define. See all this. So next is general ledger. Come down. Just press the down arrow. Okay. ABC. Next is SI order management. ABC NI order management. I'm just giving the starting keyword. Okay. NI SI purchasing. ABC NI purchasing. ABC ASI South India inventory. ABC NI inventory. See, I have added all the responsibilities. Earlier, when I go on switch responsibility here, it just shown two responsibility, right? Once I save this form and go and check switch responsibility, you will see all these responsibilities. Go for switch responsibility. See, now you will see all the responsibilities which is added to your user. Even on your login page also, these responsibilities will appear. Okay, fine. Fine. Now we have ready. We are ready. Like we are ready with our responsibilities and user. Next is we have to go and define business group, right? In multi-arc structure. So we have to go. We have to now go and define structure. Multi-arc structure. Business group. We have to define now. Fine. Before defining business group, this business group like headquarters, where it is located, right? So the location we have to define. Now we'll assume some place and we'll define location. Okay. To define the location, you just go to the responsibility HRMS responsibility, work structure. Okay. Work structure, location. Okay. So this is the location form where you will define, okay, where my business group it is, where my headquarter located, and the address, everything you will define here. Okay. So give the naming ABC BG location means BG means business group location. Either you can give small or including, right? You can capital letters or small letters you can give, or you can follow capital letters. Anything is fine. ABC business group location. Okay, business group location. So this is inactivated. If you, for example, if company change the location, they have moved from one location to other location. You will be having old locations, right? The old locations you will give inactive date. Okay, that's it. Simple it is. And this is the scope is global only. Always you go for global only. Okay, and come down. So under the address details tab and address style, just go and select India. So India address style. If you go with the US, right, they will be having different style of entering addresses. Okay, fine. Now you enter here. What is a flat, block number, door number, everything. So what I'll give is some number 987, something flat number, that office building numbers, everything you can give. Okay, building number, building name, village, whatever it is, and road, everything. I'll give here like 7th main, something address. Okay, 7th main. Which are the highlighted in yellow, right? Those are mandatory. Okay, those are mandatory. So town, Bangalore, and this is Karnataka. Here you can give area, Whitefield, that some area locality, and you can give subdivisions. You can give here Whitefield. I just given Whitefield. Okay, and state, it is Karnataka. Karnataka. Pin code, if you want, you can give. It is an optional. Okay. And telephone number, that office number. Okay. Headquarters, office number you can give. Fax number you can give. And email also you can give. Okay. ABC dot head office something, their naming, okay, abc.com, their official domain address, like email address. Click on OK. Okay, this fine, time zone is fine, not an issue. So this address, this shipping details and all, when we discussing order management model, you'll get to know, okay, all this, whether what purpose it is. It's like just simple. This location, do you want to use it as ship to site, build to site, right? And all. So defaultly, all this will enable. Don't touch anything. Just leave it as. Okay, fine. And this BG location, this location, you can even give as inventory organization location. Okay, that you can do. So this will enable only if you open the location form from the inventory responsibility. Okay, fine. Just save the record. Save the record. Now I have defined location for my business group, like where my business group it is. I just assumed and I define. Okay, fine. Now close this. So I have defined location. Now you go and define business group. So how to define business group? The navigation is from HRMS responsibility, work structure, organization, description, organization, description. Click on new. So you are going to create new, right? Click on new and give the business group name. The business group name. What is our business group name? Okay, this is my business group name. And this is what it is. This is business group. What type it is? Business group. Okay, now come down here. So before come down, right, just save it, and then come down. Now you select here your location. You just define a location, right? That location is select here, ABC. Okay, so it is now linked to here. This is the address, right? We given there. Hmm? This is how it is. You're linking your business group, and this business group is there in this location. In maybe in future, the business group location may change, right? In that case, they'll come here and they will change the location. Okay, fine. After you assign the location, just save it again. So because this is different sections, okay, this is one section and this is one section, and the down organization classification, this is also one section. Okay, if you're not saved and come here, right, it will ask you to save. See, error, you must save your work before you can continue. Okay, save it and come down. Put the cursor here. So now it is accepted. Now you go on. What is this organization? This is a business group, right? So select business group here. Go to the list of value. Select business group. Just press the business B. You will see business group. Okay, and enable this. So enable this and then save it. Save it. So once you save, click on this others. Now you select, you have to give, this is classification is business group, but you have to again give information. Okay, business group information. Just click on the, select the first option and click on OK. So here, this just a small pop-up will open, and after this, just press tab. Either you press the tab or keep the cursor here. Okay, it will open a form where you will enter all information, like job related, job structure, how it is going to be, your employee number generation, everything. It will decide in business group level. Okay, here, short name. So it is ABC, right? Our company short name is ABC, right? Employee number generation. You go and select automatic, automatic. So automatic applicant number generation, like if any applicant is applied for a job, right, how the applicant names are tracking the same way. Okay, automatic number generation for even employee also. Okay, contingent worker like contractors, how you going to generate, it's automatic only. Okay, and this is grade. So you will be having in if you join in a company, they will provide some grade, right? Grade. A grade, B grade, right? Some grade. So those, how you going to maintain? So this is more if you are a HRMS consultant. So they will be more concentrating on this. Okay. Even they also follow what Oracle provided one. So Oracle provided one, you just type with grade only, just grade flex field. We'll have a discussion what is this flex field. Okay, flex field. So when we start inventory model, right, we will be having a concept key flex fields. Okay, KFFs, key flex fields. In that case, we'll discuss this. So next is, what is next? Group flex fields, right? Group. So Germany people group flex fields. Okay. Next is job flex fields. Job structure, how it is going to be. Okay. That you can select job flex field. Seeded names. These are the seeded names. Next is costing, cost allocation flex field. Next is position. Position, position flex field. Competence flex field. The naming, whatever it is there, the naming, right? The same you select. That is fine. Okay. Registration code India. Okay, and currency, what currency you are following? INR. Okay, INR. Okay, and these are all optional. Okay, start like business group. Start when the business group was started. That date they will give here. Okay, it is an optional only. If you want, you can give. So maybe today I'll give this month. Okay, and this is minimum working age, maximum working age. You can, yeah, every company will maintain, right, that rule, like minimum working age. They cannot recruit the people who are in 15, okay, age 15, right? So that kind of restriction they can have here. And when they create employee record, if the employee is below 18 years, right, then it won't allow them to create. So here I'll maintain 75. Okay, it's our co company wish, however they want. Okay, click on okay. Okay, after you enter everything, so the information will be here. If you want to go and see again, just click the cursor, it will appear everything, and click on okay. Click on okay. Okay, do you want to save the changes you made? Yes, I want to save. Click on yes. So it is saved. How you can see the save message? In the below, transaction complete, one record applied and saved. You will see the message. Okay, fine, close it. So now we have defined, business group, right? We have defined a business group. Any question so far? Hmm? So we are nearing to 8 o'clock. Further we'll discuss tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you everyone. We'll connect tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay.